Hi guys, I'm Jenny from Wow Your Body Fitness blog, and today I want to take you to my walk-in the park. As you see, it's a lot of people. Now it's not such a lot. It's running and do the workouts in the park. So it's a very fun atmosphere here. And today I want to talk to you about how to back in shape after the period that you felt sick, don't feel so good, had a flu and such things. Because the whole this week I had a terrible flu. I can't do my workout. I was very weak. And my decision was not to work out in this time. So today is the first time in this week that I get my walk-in. And usually I don't walk at all. I'm usually love to run. And but today I don't run because I didn't work out the whole week because of the flu. I didn't do my workouts, so today I want to do some moderate training. It's like walking, it's calm walking, only to move my body. It's so fun. I so enjoy to do it because it's really fun. I so miss my workouts. You don't believe how I miss my workouts. So tomorrow I'm going to do some moderate workout, strength and power and aerobic, as usually we do. And today it's so fun to go walking. So what I recommend for you to do to get back your shape after the flu and such things, do some moderate things like walking for 30-40 minutes. Don't run. Don't do something like very hard, very difficult. Do something simple, something you like to do, like walking, like cycling, and not too much time. Approximately 30-40 minutes, it's enough for the first day. It's completely enough. Believe me, it's enough. And what we do also to feel good when you're sick, I wanna tell you about my magic shake that I do when I have a flu. It's a special shake. It's like grandma's treatments that always work. I don't like any chemical treatments, only when we need. So, a recipe of my shake, a special shake, it's look like this. I take one garlic and one ginger. I take 1 spoon of virgin olive oil and 1 lemon. So I do all this thing in the food processor or cutting with a knife, and quickly I swallow it. Because why I do it very quickly? Because I don't want to lose all the vitamins. It's going away very fast. So don't wait for your shake and swallow it quickly. And what I do else at night, I take a tiger balm. If you know, it's like a hot balm. You take it here on the chest, here and here on the back, and if you have a throat pain, you can put it here and here and go sleep. And in the morning usually I feel much better, much better, much energy, and it really helps. So what I'm going to do tomorrow I'm going to back to my workouts. As I said, I will do some moderate workout, not an extreme workout. So I'll do 3 circuits of some exercise like squat, like push-ups, like jump rope, a bridge, and sit-ups. So it's going to be very cool. And in a Friday, I'm going to do some workout for the completely beginners. So it's going to be a very simple but effective exercises that everybody can do. Everybody can do this. And the next movie, it will be the part 2 of our preparing to ski season. Yes, for all of you that are going to do to have a ski vacation. So prepare yourself for the next step of our preparing for the ski. And I want to show you where I do my walking. So it's a river, it's a very nice place, it's a huge place, it's a very nice park. It's some sides of this park here. It's the center of the city and a very sportive place. You know, it's a lot of people do the workout here and running and jogging and cycling. It's very cool, and I like so much to be here. And I see you in a Friday with a completely new workouts. And go to my Facebook page, Wow Your Body, and leave me a comment. If you like this video, please press like button. And if you have some tips how to feel good when you're sick, when you have flu, so tell me and tell us to all the people. It's always nice to know new things about health, about your tips. And thank you for watching. Thank you for taking this trip with me. It's very fun. I enjoy a lot, and enjoy your training, enjoy your walking, your cycling, everything you do for yourself. And see you the next workout. Love you all. Bye bye.